Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Vimeo subscription relying on an article published by Vimeo Hub Center. This applies to all paid memberships except enterprise accounts, which need to be handled by contacting your account manager. When you cancel your subscription, you will still have access to your account until the next billing cycle begins. You will not be automatically refunded for past charges, but you may be eligible for a refund. To cancel your subscription, go to your billing settings page and select Cancel Subscription. Depending on which plan you have, the Cancel Subscription button will look like one of these two images. This one or this one. Then confirm and save your settings. If you don't see the option to cancel, it might be because you are not logged into a Vimeo account with an active paid subscription plan. If you are on a free or basic plan, you are not being charged, so there is no subscription to cancel. If you subscribe through Apple or Google Play, Vimeo can't access your billing information. To cancel, follow the instructions provided by Apple support or by Google Play support. You can cancel your subscription at any time before the renewal date listed on your billing settings page. And if you want to delete your account entirely, refer to Vimeo's guide on how to delete your account. And for more questions or further assistance, please refer to Vimeo support articles. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.